Hi guys, welcome to Math 101. Section 1.3 Adding whole numbers. In this section, we will learn two techniques for adding numbers. First, add numbers with no regrouping or no carrying. The second, add numbers with regrouping or carrying. And after that, we will have fun with the game. Who is the fastest to add a number? For example 1, add numbers with no regrouping. Add number 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. Step 1, we line up the number vertically, one under the other. Step 2, add the first two numbers. Then add that sum to the third number and continue until we have add all the numbers. And for this example, we have a final sum is 17. For example 2, add numbers with regrouping. This other way of describing numbers are what we use when we add numbers that require regrouping or carrying. So if the add number 38 plus 27, we can think of the number 38 in the different ways. 38 equal 38 ones, or we can think about 38 equal 3 10 plus 8 ones. Step 1, same thing, we have to line up in the vertically, and we start adding in the ones column. Now we have 8 plus 7 equal 15, and we put 5 ones here and 1 10 here. And now we start add the next column in the column tens. So we have 3 plus 2 and plus 1 is equal 6. So the sum is 65 for the answer. Now we're gonna start fun time, okay? This is a game who is the fastest to add numbers. So we will have a figure 1.3, and this is gonna be have all the number. But for this page, for this slide, I hiding because I don't want you to see the number. But I want to explain to you. Okay, you're gonna add this number and this number and this number, and you're gonna answer A. Okay, same thing for this row. And the same thing for this row. And after you get the answer, you're gonna write down on the paper, okay? And now you're gonna do adding on the in the column. You know, the first column, add the second column, and the third column. Okay. Before you play game, prepare sketch paper, pen and pencil for your work. Do not use calculator for your work, okay? When you complete, fill out of the answer. Click the stopwatch again to stop a timer. Then write down your answer and the time to the paper, because you will need them for posting in the discussion activity. And this is an example Screencast-O-Matic you can use in your online course. See you next video.